Hi, this is Linda Rogers from Planning Within Reach. I want to dive a little bit deeper into target date funds. I wrote a blog post recently talking about them and how to do an evaluation to see if a target date fund is appropriate for you. And I did get a lot of questions on it, especially the second part here when I talk about evaluating the target date funds. So, three things you want to be looking at is allocation, glide path, and cost. And I gave the example that some institutions will actually have multiple target date funds for the same year. Fidelity, for example, has three target date funds for 2045. I pulled up those three to show you what I'm talking about. So this first one here is Fidelity Freedom 2045. And then you will have the option to also do Fidelity Freedom Blend 2045. So you'll see the ticker changes. And then Fidelity Freedom Index 2045. All three of these are different. They have different expense ratios and different compositions. So we're seeing a lot of confusion around this. For example, the index one has 0.14 expense ratio, the blend 0.54% expense ratio, and the Fidelity Freedom, kind of general 2045 fund is 0.75. This is the one that you will be funneled to on the website. So when you're just looking for target date funds in general, it brings you to this fund family, the more expensive one. If there's a little tool here where you on the website where you can put in your retirement date and it will generate the best target date fund for you. Again, it brings you to this fund family. So you really have to go a next step and do a screen to see all of the target date funds available to you. Again, we're seeing a lot of confusion on that because people are not invested in what they think they are. So you want to make sure you look matching up tickers, you're looking at the fees, you're looking at the composition. So even this one, the more expensive one, has 20 plus underlying funds. Review that, make sure it's doing what you want because the objective is going to be different than these other two. So I hope that helps. We're going to unfortunately see more of this. So just even if you're at Schwab or other places, you typically do have more than one target date fund to choose from. Just make sure you're finding the best one for you. Reach out if you need help and ask any questions. Thank you.